The Komatsu 22m-06-23100 is an instrument cluster out of the PC35 series of Komatsu hydraulic excavators. With a PC35 simulator system, we are able to not only repair the instrument cluster, but also adjust all the needle functions for accuracy once it is reinstalled in the system. These instrument clusters are installed in the machine in such a way that many are badly damaged by water. At ERD, we have achieved over a 90% success rate on this line of equipment. As shown in the video, one of these clusters is being tested after a full rebuild and will be ready to go upon reinstallation. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.